Can a woman cut short her hair? The answer is yes. Whether it's damaged or not, whether she wants to have a new look, this is up to her. Cutting the hair is permissible for a woman, providing that she's not cutting it short so that people would think that this is the hair of a man. This is haram. And she's not allowed to have haircuts that are only done by the kafir. Yani Muslim women do not do this. So if a woman almost shaves the side of her head and having the other hair grown and long, this is totally prohibited. Because this is the haircut of a kafir, of a disbeliever. But if it's the normal haircut, whether it is, as they call it, Princess Diana's haircut, or something similar to that, which all women do it, whether here or there, there's no problem in that, inshallah, and Allah knows best.
فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون